Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. Now I went and set up a pattern right here just for this purpose, and well, even though I know it, I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't. So anyway, to get started we'll need a computer for this, just so you can plug in your cable to your computer, and then you want to connect that cable to your phone. So let me just grab it from under the desk. There we go. So there's my cable. It is already connected to my computer. So what you want to do is simply plug it in. There we go. Maybe you heard a sound from a computer that it popped up. So anyway, from here you want to hold power key and volume down, and you will hold both of those keys till you see the screen turn off, at which point you will switch from volume down to volume up. Now you want to interact with the screen just so it doesn't turn off like it did right now, just so you can see when it actually goes black, that means that the phone just turned off. So anyway, I'm gonna hold the lock right here just so I can interact with it. Kinda got stuck right here, so that's okay. Just turned off, so I'm switching to volume up. Doesn't want to turn on again, so let's see. Try that once more. Give it a little bit of a breather right here. And let's try it again. Power key and volume up because the device is turned off at the moment. It's turning back on. And there we go. So it just connected. I'm not sure why I didn't want to go from the beginning. As you can see, I just let go of the keys and then started to hold them once more, and that seemed to fix it. So anyway, from here we're going to use volume keys to navigate, and you want to use those keys in order to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key. And again, select factory data reset, confirm that. This will give you right here dialog data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So you need to only press power key once again, and this will initiate a reboot and also continue the process in the background. And that means that the device will take a little bit longer to boot back up because it is continuing the process in the background. But once it's finished, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Oh, and additionally, you can also unplug the device. Okay, and as you can see now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.